You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this very curious vegetable. Yes, it's different from a standard broccoli, and yes, there are indeed two different ways of pronouncing it, two different correct pronunciations, I should say. Broccoli is how to pronounce the first word. You probably knew that. In British English, it's pronounced rabe, broccoli rabe. Now, in the US, the Americans more commonly pronounce it as broccoli rabe. Broccoli rabe, American English, US, United States, broccoli rabe in the UK, hence the confusion. Did you get this? Broccoli rabe or broccoli rabe? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.